Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope y'all are having a great day and are enjoying your summer. I'm taking the time to do a quick comparison of the Zoom H8 with the Shure SM7B with and without a Cloudlifter. When I originally bought the Shure SM7B, I ran it through an Apollo Twin, but I found that there was still a noticeable difference in sound quality without the Cloudlifter. If I'm using the Apollo, it's for vocal recording in a controlled environment for paid client work, so I really needed to make sure I'm getting the best sound possible that I could with my recording space. I just received the Zoom H8 for location recording for all three of the features that the H8 touts, which is field recording, music recording, and podcasting. I'm hoping to step into the world of podcasting, so that's why I initially pulled the trigger on the H8. But as a pro musician, I wanted something portable to track with while I'm traveling and to be able to capture field recordings to use for my sound needs. So what you've been hearing so far is the Shure SM7B into the H8 with the Cloudlifter and input dials set at 5. I'll stay silent for a few seconds so you can hear the noise floor. Okay, now I'm speaking into the SM7B and the H8 without the Cloudlifter. I have to say I'm pretty impressed that the H8 has got enough power to capture the sound of the SM7B as it's well documented as a gain-hungry mic. My Avalon SP737 wasn't powerful enough to power this mic without a horrible hiss. Just FYI, the sound of both examples is unprocessed. The only thing done to the sound is to bring the LUFS to negative 23 dB. Here is the SM7B running into the H8 without the Cloudlifter and the input dial set at 8. Okay, well there you have it. I wasn't successful in finding the examples of the SM7B going into the H8 before I made the purchase of the H8, so I hope this quick example will help someone in the future. I have to say I'm impressed that the H8 can adequately power the SM7B without the need of the Cloudlifter. That's one less thing that needs to be lugged around when traveling. For podcasting and music, I think you can get away without the Cloudlifter for almost all of your work. For voiceover work, I would still use the Cloudlifter if it were me. Thank y'all for checking out my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification.